My dude.
I caught you, you bastards! Okay.
Honk it off, bro.
Honk it off!
Honk it off.
No.
Oh, we got him. Hit the flashers. Hit the flashers. We got him.
Skirt. Woo! She sounds so good right now. What's going on, guys? My name is Lextasy. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have an epic video for you guys. By the way, my wife is here. Her name's Elvira. I'm just gonna say it. It's not a secret. You know, as a kid, everybody has that dream of owning a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or some sort of an exotic. Well, mine was to always have a Lamborghini, and you know, so today I actually get to experience one on the track. It's awesome. It's going to be a Lamborghini Huracan. It's literally my dream. I've always wanted to see if it's something I want to buy in the near future. So without further ado, I'm not going to do a lot of talking. Just see what you think of it. I'm excited. I'm super pumped. I mean, it's awesome. You get to do 4 laps. I think it's like 12 turns. Hopefully this rain holds off. That's the only thing that's really putting me in panic mode. But thank you guys for all the support, and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so we are here. We're actually inside the freaking Charlotte Motor Speedway. So as you can tell, those are the bleachers, everything. So we're dead center of it. I don't know if they allow me to record inside, but of course I am going to have footage of the first person and third person while driving. I'm super pumped, guys. I mean, I never got a chance to do this, so let's see what happens, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, drop a like. So it turns out I can record, which is freaking awesome. They let me actually walk out there. What they're doing right now is the first class is going, so they'll all have to warm up the engines, which makes sense. I mean, I have to do it on my GTR. So they're going to take a lap around, and then they'll start actually taking us to the classroom. And then after that, of course, we'll get a drive in it. So I'm super pumped, guys. This is sick. So we decided after the class that I guess we'll do the lead car, me and Elvira. She's not actually going to be driving the Lambo, but I am. But just so we get an idea or better understanding of the course, that when we get those 4 laps, we're actually enjoying them and can really push the car and not get fined 10 grand for a front lip or any kind of damage that can happen. Are we riding motorcycles, or are we? So retarded. Huh? Oh. Yeah, I look like I'm freaking chubby. This is cool.
Alright, so Alex, huh?
Yes, sir.
Alright, man, do me a favor. I'm going to start this. Ta-da. Alright, go ahead and click that right paddle. Congratulations, you passed the shifting part of the course. Alright, man, so just keep both hands on the wheel, thumbs in those thumb holes. When we get out there, just a couple little housekeeping things. The pedals are sensitive, so is the steering. The smoother you drive it, the better it is. I'm going to give hand signals while I'm talking to you. This is to go left. This is to go right. Brake pedal. Sound good?
Yep.
All right, man. You got any questions, concerns,
nah, man.
Comments, anything?
Can't wait.
Do me a favor. Give a little bit of a gap from the cones. Then we won't risk hitting them. Turn into the corner. Roll into the gas pedal. Stay out to the left toward the brake cone. Give yourself a gap. There you go. Turn into the corner here. Turn in. A little bit more. These corners are tight. You're going to have to turn that bad boy. Lift off the gas on the brake pedal. Come off the brake pedal. Turn into the corner. Aiming towards your brake cone right here. Brake pedal. All right, give me a little brake pedal. Stay out kind of wide. Now cut the car in. All right, get up a little bit closer. He's gonna give us a pass. Pass him on the left. There you go. Brake pedal, off the brake, turn into the corner, roll into the gas pedal, turn in, let it coast a second, roll in the gas gently, brake pedal, lift, let it coast all the way through the corner. Roll into the gas gently, now straighten your wheel, power. Lift, brake pedal, lift, turn in, cut it hard. Roll into the gas pedal, over there. Brake pedal, lift, turn in. Roll into the gas pedal.
What an experience. My hair is all screwed up. So this is way different. Like, it's, you know, GTR wise, it's the front engine compared to the back engine. The way you take turns is completely different. Those turns come around so quick on you. I mean, you don't even expect them. They come out of nowhere. So do you want to do it? You want to try? Alright guys, so we just left the track and I want to give you my real experience or review of the place. It was definitely fun, don't get me wrong. The Chevy SS, when we did the lead lap, that was awesome because you definitely get the you know, the feel for the apexes and the turns and how fast they come at you, where you're supposed to turn, where you're supposed to keep the line, things like that. That was awesome. I mean, I literally was trying to find a handle to hold on to in that car. I was getting thrown around everywhere because they are professional drivers that do this. And then we got to the driving the Lamborghini Huracan. It's a 610-4, so it's an all-wheel drive. It was good. It was definitely good, but I can tell that, you know, they didn't really let me push it to the full potential. I guess, you know, everybody's got to protect their investments, and I totally understand that. One comment that my instructor made was that my GTR was rear-wheel drive. Which it's not, so it was back and forth because I was like, well, you know, my it's definitely different than the front engine GTR of mine that I have than the, you know, rear engine Lamborghini that we're driving. It's like, yeah, but yours is a rear wheel drive as well. I said, no, it's not. He said, yes, it is. So we went back and forth a few times. Then I realized maybe that's why they didn't really let me push it, because they figured you know, I'm not that experienced as I'm saying I am. But it definitely was fun. I enjoyed it. For anybody that's never done it before, definitely go out there. It's worth the money. I mean, it's probably a quarter of what a car payment on one of those would be anyway, so monthly. So just go and have fun. I kind of wish I had a little bit more lap time as well, because I was only getting the hang of it like the last literally lap of it, because you only get 4. But it was fun. It was definitely fun. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the content as well. Keep in mind, 10,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna wrap this GTR. What color? I might even let you guys decide. It might be pink for all I know. I don't know. No. But thank you guys for subscribing. If you like what you're seeing, definitely smash that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your lives, enjoy your cars, and peace.